Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to iron a shirt effectively. First, always check your shirt's care label to determine the correct iron temperature. Next, set up your ironing board and fill your iron with distilled water if it has a steam function. A clean iron prevents stains, and proper board height reduces strain. Now let's tackle the collar and cuffs. Lay the collar flat starting with the underside and iron from the center to the edges. Then flip it and repeat on the top side. For the cuffs, unbutton them completely. Iron the inside first, then the outside, making sure to smooth the placket for a crisp finish. Moving to the sleeves, lay one sleeve flat, aligning the seams perfectly. Iron from the shoulder down to the cuff, being careful not to create a new crease if you don't want one. Next, drape the shirt's yoke over the narrow end of your board. Iron this section thoroughly, ensuring all wrinkles are removed for a polished look. Finally, iron the main body of the shirt. Start with one front panel, working from the bottom upwards around the buttons. Rotate the shirt to iron the back, then the other front panel. Once complete, immediately hang your freshly ironed shirt on a hanger. Let it cool for at least 10 minutes before wearing or putting it away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.